Hello. Now I want you to get excited about C. Why? Not only is C the third letter of the alphabet, it is one of the OG in the programming language. Developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs in 1969, C was designed as an alternative to assembly language for creating operating systems. The C programming language is the foundation of C++. In fact, it is the basis of many modern programming languages, including Java, JavaScript, Perl, PHP, Python, and many others. Of course, C++ and Objective-C are direct descendants of C and include the entire C language. Yes, the entire C language is included in the definition of C++, and learning C is an essential first step on the road to learning C++. Almost all firmware, almost all modern operating systems, and a great deal of application software is written in C. Why is C so popular? Code written in C tends to be small and fast. Well, written C can generate object code that is almost as small and fast as code written in assembly language. Code written in C is extremely portable. C was originally designed for writing operating systems. For example, the Unix operating system was written in C, and it runs on many different processors and hardware configurations. C is a low-level language. That means that it's close to the machine. It doesn't have a lot of features, but it compiles to type fast, efficient codes. That's what C is good at. That's why people continue to use C after 40 years. C is an imperative language. Now, what do I mean by imperative language? This means that the code is described as statements, subroutines, and are called functions, and arguments are always passed by value. C is block-oriented structured language. That is code that happens in blocks, and the blocks are structured to enhance clarity. And there are so many different features that can be implemented in C that is so helpful in anybody's career and learning any language. So, to continue with this, let's continue this in the next class, and I'll catch you again then. Thank you.